Imagine tall, lush green trees encompassing a large area, mild breeze rustling through the leaves, a river meandering along the slopes, forming cascades and waterfalls along its journey. Inhabitants of the forest moving along, abiding by the rules laid down by the nature. Birds chirping, reptiles crawling, terrestrial life roaming around or circusing over the trees. Such ecosystems are present all around the world. Who would not like to visit such places of recreation and inhale oxygen, experience the serenity of the place, return rejuvenated? Among the various types of ecosystems, tropical rainforests have their unique importance. These rainforests are likely Earth's oldest living ecosystems. These are diverse, having more than half of the world's plant and animal species. Though they cover just 2 to 6% of the Earth's surface. These rainforests are dense and warm forests and are located between 10° north and 10° south of the equator. 10° north and 10° south of the equator. And the temperature here exceeds 18 degrees Celsius. Precipitation is around 66 millimeters. These areas do not have any dry season. The maximum amount of insolation is received, which is why they have uniformly high temperature. As this region lies in the belt of calm, this is belt of calm or the doldrums. The convergence of northeast trade winds and southeast trade winds form the intertropical convergence zone or ITCZ, and it is associated with cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall is the characteristics of tropical rainforests. Most area here have leached soil. This is a soil with poor nutrition. And a common feature of these rainforests is buttress roots. The roots of these trees, instead of penetrating to deeper layers of soil, these roots, they create a network at the surface of the earth, spreads horizontally. Now this helps to uptake of nutrients efficiently to its maximum. Fungi plays an important part in the nutrient recycling in these forests. Tropical rainforests have biodiversity in abundance. The varieties of plants and animal species Insects population thrive here. These forests, they are rightly described as the world's largest pharmacy. Rivers flowing create freshwater habitat. Dolphins, crocodiles, alligators abound in these regions along the river. Vegetation found in the rainforest is stratified in layers, in vertical layers, having their own unique characteristics. From the surface towards higher up above. These forests, they have 4 stories, the forest floor, understory layer, canopy, and the emergent layer. Emergent layer, this is the layer which lies in the topmost, at the topmost of the rainforest. Trees here are really tall, around 60 meters or 80 meters. Trees photosynthesize the sun rays. Birds, bats, and butterflies abound here. Below the emergent layer lies the canopy layer. The dense layer of canopies spread over the other trees, blocking sunlight, making dark and humid below. Sunlight does not penetrate below. Animals found here are sloths, macaws, etc. And below the canopy is the understory layer. This layer is more humid and it is dark since the sunlight is almost least in this region. It's very dark here. So animals camouflage. Amphibians thrive in humidity. And on the surface, it is the forest floor. Leopards, pythons, gorillas, and it is also the home of some of the endangered species. Vegetation consists of shade-tolerant shrubs, small trees, and creepers. Tropical rainforests are known as the lungs of the world. Areas covered by the rainforest is rapidly decreasing, and these forests are among the threatened ecosystems. Large-scale fragmentation has taken place as a result of human activity and climate change. Humans are responsible for extinction of several species of plant and animal life. Large-scale felling of trees for agricultural land, plantations, and industrial development have caused severe damage to the rainforests. Large-scale conservation efforts have been undertaken. These are, number one, Restoration of degraded land areas. Number 2, extension of protective areas. More area is being covered under protection. Poaching, which is illegal hunting, this disrupts the food chain and the ecological balance as well. Number 4, improve infrastructure. That's all. I hope you liked the video. Do hit the like and the subscribe button.